Mama,
Yes, my
I
love.
did all of this.
Give me a look. Wow. He's so beautiful. What a lovely house.
Så jag gjorde här, varför skriver de?
We're learning about the days of the week. So this one says, do you know what this one says?
Nej.
You know what this one says?
No.
Tuesday. And this one says tisdag. Well, you can come up when I'm done, my love.
Hur gjorde du såna?
I'm just making them.
Hur gjorde du såna där små?
I use the scissors.
Jag vill med ha en. Klippte du den?
Oh,
Jag vill ha den.
are you done playing with the Lego then?
Ja.
Well, then clean up the Lego if you want to draw. Torsdag. Okay. No, you haven't put the blankets away either. I'll leave it there then. Here's a paper for you. Is it? Oh, that's my paper. That's my owl.
Kan jag klippa några av de där? Bara.
Here. Here you go.
Men jag kan inte nå.
The textures.
Jag vill sitta här.
Not when I'm having my coffee, my love. Afterwards. Let me finish our signs. This is for my whiteboard, so we know what day it is. We're learning about the days. So, well, let me know which textures you want.
Vad gjorde du då nu? Så. Mamma, varför vill de dela? De sitter ihop.
Friday.
Dela sitter ihop. Nu börjar en nu. Jag tror jag så här. You can have my leftover paper if you want. I just need one more page here. Kan jag få en lapp? Varför flyttade du pappret sen?
Oh, which paper did you want?
Ingen.
I thought you wanted these pens. Okay.
in. Jag visste vilken lördag.
You can take, don't tell me, we have to guess. We have to see here. Okay, which one is Saturday? Which one is Saturday? Which one is lördag? Lördag and Saturday is the same day. You were so smart. What day is it today? Do you remember what day it is today? It's not Saturday, it's yes. So we keep Sunday on the whiteboard. So we know what day it is. Which one is English and which one is Swedish? Is this, which is it English or Swedish?
English.
This one is Swedish, söndag. And this one is?
Swedish.
This is English, Sunday. Very smart girl.
Det här jag gjorde.
Mm-hmm. So we know what day it is. It's Sunday today.
Ja.
Mm-hmm.
Mamma, kan du rita det?
Well, I've already done that. I've done my drawing now, but you can continue.
Jo.